As a busy mom, I'm always looking for ways to streamline food prep and cooking. There are a zillion food peelers, slicers, and choppers on the market that admittedly look amazing. But can something as simple as the humble vegetable peeler tackle most of your peeling and slicing needs? I'm using the OXO Good Grips 3-piece peeler set. It includes a serrated peeler for soft fruits and vegetables, a swivel peeler for firm fruits and vegetables, and a julienne peeler to create julienne strips. Let's get started with our serrated peeler. Up first, our plum. This easily cuts through the skin. This would also work on peaches, apricots, pluots, any soft fruit. Have a picky eater who doesn't like to eat the skin on a plum? Well, no problem. Using the serrated peeler, we can just peel the skin off. Easy peasy. You may sometimes find that recipes call for peeled tomatoes. Now there are methods where you can boil it quickly and then chill it, but even easier, just use your peeler. And the skin comes right off. This is also taking off a very thin layer of skin, so you are not wasting much tomato. And now you have a skin-free tomato. Moving on to our swivel head. We can use this to peel carrots, and to make carrot ribbons. The julienne peeler can also be used to make long strips for your salads. We can also peel cucumbers, and make ribbons, or strips if you prefer. And the same goes for zucchini, as well as any kind of squash, yellow squash, butternut squash. You could even peel a pumpkin. And of course we can peel ribbons and our julienne strips. You can also slice your zucchini and cucumbers into circles. Depending on your recipe or your presentation needs, you can make strips, ribbons, or circles. And of course, you can also peel potatoes and other fruits and vegetables like apples. So you've seen some pretty standard uses for a vegetable peeler. Now let's get into some unexpected uses, like shredding cabbage. Take the peeler to the edge of the cabbage and shred away. This is perfect for making coleslaw. Moving on to broccoli. I enjoy cooked and raw broccoli, but I do not enjoy the tough stalks. So, to get rid of those, you can peel away the tough outer layer to reveal a more tender side of broccoli. Love celery, but not the strings? We'll simply peel away the stringy bits with your peeler and throw those stringy bits in the trash. You can then chop up your celery or use your peeler to cut it. These thinner slices would be perfect in soups. Up next, asparagus. When we steam asparagus, it gets nice and tender up here until about here. So, if we peel away the tough outer layer, the steam can then penetrate through this portion of the asparagus, leaving it nice and tender. The thicker the asparagus, the more you may need to peel away. Use a peeler on an onion. Yes, you can. You can make small strips of onion, perfect for salads, for soups, even your burgers. Time for two more unconventional ways to use your peeler. Butter! Butter straight from the refrigerator may be just too hard to melt. Thinner slices will melt much more easily. Time for some toast. Time for one of my favorite uses for the peeler. Chocolate. Top your favorite desserts and ice creams with chocolate shavings. Well, it turns out that humble little vegetable peeler is quite an incredible tool. I hope you enjoyed momming this with me, and I'll see you next time.